Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist, 49 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. So sometimes patient ask questions regarding many issues related to pregnancy or infertility. So today I'm going to answer one of those queries. So this query is, what is biochemical pregnancy, or what does it mean if urine pregnancy test is positive but pregnancy is not advancing? So many patients have this queries that my urine pregnancy test was positive, but when we went for scan, the doctor told us there was no pregnancy. So this is called as biochemical pregnancy. Means what does it mean? Biochemical means the pregnancy which we can detect in the form of hormone, but this pregnancy is either not advancing or it doesn't progress to a proper full grown baby. So biochemical pregnancy, what we say is when your urine pregnancy test is positive, means that kit which you use for checking your urine pregnancy test is showing two lines, but when you go for scan, on the scan doctor is not able to find any gestational sac or any pregnancy in your uterus. Also, sometimes what we see is when we do a blood test of beta hcg, the value shows positive, like somewhere around 100, 200, or even up to 1000. But when you go for scan after the beta hcg, the pregnancy is not seen on the scan. So what happens in between? So this is called as biochemical pregnancy. So that means the fertilization has happened in the body, embryo is formed, but somehow it did not progress to a baby which can be seen at the scan. So what can be the causes for these biochemical pregnancy? So there can be multiple causes and it needs proper evaluation from a fertility expert at a proper fertility center. So biochemical pregnancy may result because of some genetic issues, or maybe because of some hormonal imbalance, or because of some immunological factors wherein your body is not able to sustain the pregnancy beyond a certain limit. So there are different blood tests which we do to detect the cause for this. If it is a genetic cause, then accordingly we guide the couple how to proceed with your own gametes in IVF. Like there might be options of different PGT test on the embryo, that is doing the embryo biopsy of a IVF embryo and selecting a normal, genetically normal embryo for transfer. So this could be one of the option if required, means if any genetic test suggests some issues, then we can guide you further regarding IVF and PGT. If your immunological test suggests certain issues, then we can add certain medications, or we can give certain salines in the medications in the form of salines before planning the pregnancy or even during the pregnancy, which will help your body to accept and retain the pregnancy. Also, if there are any factors like some uterine anomalies, which may also result into biochemical pregnancy, but it is rare. Most of the times, the uterine anomalies will result in either first trimester or second trimester miscarriages. So there might be different reasons. What exactly is the reason for you? For that, you have to visit a proper fertility expert at the fertility center and get both of yours tests done. Like husband and wife should visit fertility center and get themselves evaluated to know what is the cause for this pregnancy resulting into failure or not advancing into the full form baby, and what extra medications or precautions you need to take based on the cause that we find out in your test. So I hope this was helpful. So please visit a fertility specialist to understand what could be the cause in your case. I'm Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist at 49 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. You can consult me at our Banjara Hills Center. Thank you.